Hey guys, welcome back to Fifi's World where cooking becomes easy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Jamaican Jerk Rub. But before we get into the video guys, if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that red subscribe button and also like my video. So guys, in order to make your marinade or your jerk rub, whatever you call it, you want to make sure that you get some fresh veg or spices. All of the above that we're going to use. Based on what I just listed, you want to make sure that everything that you get guys, they're fresh. As you can see, I'm using adobo and the Maggi seasoning and also some jerk seasoning. I have those in the video guys because I am going to make some jerk chicken right after I make this video. So guys, as you can see, I already cut up my onion, and this is some vinegar from my pickled onion. You already know I don't waste anything in my kitchen, so I always try to repurpose everything I have. Alright guys, so I have a small blender, so what I'm going to do is to blend my veggies one at a time. So as you can see, I'm blending the onion, and my reason for blending the onion first because the onion have a higher water content than all the other veggies or spices that I'll be using. So just because I don't want my marinade to be watery, I blend the onion first so I can get some form of liquid from it. So you just want to go ahead and blend all of them. If you have a bigger blender or a processor, you can go ahead and just blend them all at once. But my blender was only 6 cups. So because of that, I'll be blending my seasoning one after the other. Alright guys, so now I'll be adding some pimento to my mix. And you're probably wondering, why am I using so much pimento? Pimento is a mother of jerk. If you don't have pimento in your mix, it's not jerk. Be careful though with the amount of pimento that you use, because pimento is a very tricky spice, and if you use too much, it's not going to be good. Now I'm going to add my ginger, and the ginger, you really don't need to take out the skin or anything, just blend it, because by the time you finish blending, there'll be nothing to prove that the skin was on it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add some thyme and also add some Scotch bonnet pepper. It depends on how spicy you want it to be. You can add 2, 3, or as much pepper that you would like. I like mine mild, not too spicy. So I leave room for people that want to add more spice to it. So because of that, I'm only using 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. And of course, we're gonna top it off with some garlic. So guys, I'm going to add some dry seasoning to my mix. That part is optional. You don't have to add it to it. All you need is some salt to enhance the flavor. That's it. But as I said previously in the video, I'm going to jerk some chicken right after this video. So I'm just adding some all-purpose seasoning and some jerk seasoning. The jerk seasoning is the same thing we just made. Only thing is that it is the dry one. So you really don't have to add anything. See? So guys, we know that some of these recipes ask for nutmeg and soy sauce in your jerk marinade. Actually, I don't add any of that in mine. If you want to go ahead and add some soy sauce, or you can add some browning just to get a color. Also guys, some people use sugar in their marinade, and sugar can have a lot of purpose. Maybe they're using that to balance the heat, or also using it as a preservative. But guys, we already use the vinegar and the salt in ours, so we have no needs to do that, because the salt and the vinegar is actually a preservative, and it will actually help your marinade to have a longer shelf life. So you really don't need to use sugar in it if it's not something that you want to do. So guys, that's how I make my Jamaican jerk marinade. I thank you guys so much for watching my video to the end. And guys, if you do watch my video to the end, please just hit the like button, because if you do that, other people will see my video and we can grow our family here, right? So thank you so much for watching my video guys, and I hope you did hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.